This is a lab that we do in physical science, and it really has two important aspects. The first thing is they're learning now about chemical reactions and the type of chemical reactions. So that's what we teach them in class. And they learn all the theoretical aspects about what occurs in a chemical reaction and what type of reaction it is. But an important part of any science is actually the practical part, the hands-on part, or the labs that we do. You've made your observations. Have you made all your observations? So this lab takes into account things that we've learned about chemical reactions and balancing equations and what happens when two chemicals come together and go through and form a chemical reaction. This leads into what they've learned in the classroom, that if a chemical reaction takes place, then they're going to see something. They're going to see a color change. They're going to see some gases being formed. They might see some bubbling, some smoke. They're going to see a temperature change. These are all signs of a chemical reaction. So we take what they've learned in the classroom and now they get to actually practice it on a hands-on laboratory experiment. Make 3 to 5 observations on each.
It's 7 more.
It reinforces a chemical reaction, the things that they learned in the class. So now they can write this equation on the board and they can see the aluminum being transferred on the board into the aluminum being transferred into the copper, okay, by an exchange of the two metal ions. Then they can come and they really practice making observations, temperature change, color change, formation of a gas. All these are indications of a chemical reaction that we see in this particular chemical reaction. All the color changes and the temperature change and the formation of a gas. These are all things that they learn in the classroom and now they practice in the lab.